So holidays are coming up, time for upgrade. Let's see, 9800X3D, back ordered, $500, $700, $800. What's going on? Is there no hope? What's going on with the PC market? Why are these prices, everything not available? Please, someone help me. Hey everyone, it's boy LockTech back at it with another video. Today we're going to talk about something a little bit different, just like a different topic. And with the unicorn that's a 9800X3D or its pricing gouging shenanigans, a lot of you are wondering, hey, if I want to upgrade, where does this leave us? Is there no hope? Of course there is, but some of you may already know that the holiday season's coming up, and that includes Black Friday and Christmas, and a lot of them may look for discounts coming up for these computer parts are out now and future computer parts. So now a lot of you are hearing the rumors that in Q1 of 2025, the new 12 and 16 core Zen 5 X3D chips are most likely going to be announced or released, or a release date will be announced. Now some of you might want to play the waiting game and do that and wait for one of those two 12 or 16 core chips to come out, especially since as a backup, since the 9800X3D is literally a unicorn at this point, so no one can get it, stock is dried up, demand can't meet the pricing, and it causes a lot of things to rise and price gouge. Now, some of you on the other hand also may say, you know what, I can't deal with this mess of these on-demand launches that never have enough stock. Let me just go with last gen, like the 7950X3D 16 core or the 12 core 7900X3D, which came up now about 2 years now. And y'all just want to put up with the waiting game or wonder if what's going to come out or get announced next year. Now, a lot of things have been going on. Previously, we mentioned about price gouging. Now, it looks like the next gen and now the old gen is now also getting price gouged. So there's no way that a 12 core X3D should be the same pricing as a 16 core 750X3D at launch. So price gouging is on the rise, continuing, and it is going on to even the next gen, last gen chips now. And everyone is losing their mind because they can't get even the alternate or their second or third choices because all these companies are price gouging, charging an arm and a leg, can't find stock. And you would think that the older gen will have more stock because the new gen, always people look forward to them and there's always usually a bigger demand for the next gen. So don't lose hope. I'm one of those people playing the waiting game, and I am heard, I can say there's a rumor all over the internet that the 12 core 9900X3D and the 16 core 9950X3D is going to be announced or launched Q1 of 2025. This is just rumors, nothing's been confirmed, but a lot of people thinking like, do I really need the 16 core? Because 16 core is usually like for heavy work, like CAD and a whole bunch of different virtual machines and stuff like that. A lot of people don't need that amount of cores because that's very niche. But, however, some people just want the best of the best, and as history tells itself correctly, the 16 core chips, whether it's the non-X3D or the X3D chips, have always been the hottest commodity out of all the launches for AMD Ryzen because they have the best performance and they're the best all-rounder, price performance. Now, the 7900X and 700X3D from last gen, even this gen 9900X non-3D, have been always getting been treated like the redheaded stepchild, so to speak. Because a lot of people say, oh, it's not the dual 8-core CCDs like the 16 core, and that's why it's always falling behind the 16 core. But honestly, if you don't need as much horsepower as the 16 core, you're probably good with just getting the 12 core 9900, or if you want to still do the waiting game, don't know how the pricing is going to be, instead of getting what's available now and in stock before more gouging goes up, then you're probably better off getting the last gen 7900X3D, which is still available. Get them before the stock dries up, because even though there's stock all over Newegg, Amazon, Micro Center, they're slowly dwindling, and if you keep waiting for going to the last gen or the current gen non-X3Ds, then you're gonna risk paying more than you need to for the performance they give you. We all see the launch of Zen 5 non-X3Ds, which have been pretty much a mess because they're giving the same performance for more money than the last gen, which is not supposed to be the case. You're supposed to get more performance for less money or the same money. So that's another con point that's kind of bad for us consumers looking to upgrade. Now, if you want to need a little more horsepower for heavier work, say you want to do streaming, virtual machine management, and gaming, and everything else under the sun, then you might have the deep enough pockets to get the 16 core. But like I said, the stocks are dwindling and the gouging is rising. It should be reverse. It should be stock getting less, but the prices should remain the same. But that's not the case, and that's the kind of PC space we're in right now. I'm part of the people that like doing the waiting game because I like seeing information of new launches before I just pull the trigger blindly and say, okay, it's going to be good, it has to be because XYZ, its predecessor is going to be good. No, that's a lot of traps that people fall into, like other consumers that are new to the market, are new to upgrading, are new to PC in general. They always want to pull the trigger just to have bragging rights, let me get the best, and then they don't even look at what they need for the use case that they need for their system. So a lot of people fall in this trap and it needs to stop, and the only way you can stop that is to get proper knowledge, to shop smartly and know what to look for. In this case, wait for information, look at the pricing, do not pay price gouge listings from how bad you want to upgrade because you're going to regret it, because when the next gen comes out and knocks it out of the park for less money or the same money that's before price gouging, you're going to regret your purchase, and then you're pretty much up a lake as far as wasting your money on something that you could have waited 1 or 2 months for to see actually the full picture. So as any advice for people holiday shopping, whether you're going to upgrade to the last gen because you don't want to deal with the demand shortage for the new gen, or you want to just play the waiting game, get the new gen, and wait till next year, whether you're getting a 9800 X3D, if they're not back ordered, or like I said, they're a unicorn. So good luck to people who are looking for those. If there are other people that want to get the 12 and the 16, I advise to go and do the waiting game because you need to get the whole picture to make a smart purchase choice for your upgrade. And at the end of the day, 9 times out of 10, when you wait to see the full picture, you don't regret your purchasing. That's just my 2 cents. I had a lot of experience with this, so please, please, please be patient. Wait, do not pay these scalpers the money they want. Until next time, let me know what your thoughts are below of the rumor that they're going to release next year or announce, even the RDNA 4 for the GPU next gen. Let me know your thoughts about it below. Do you all plan to upgrade soon? Do you plan to wait? Or are you going to wait till Black Friday or Christmas? Let me know in the comments below what your thoughts are on the whole situation. And until next time, this is your boy Tech signing out.